Wish that I could go back and make me a better man and tell me that you're perfect and feel you in my arms again. I know we gotta move on. Can't live in the past. Just know I'll always love you, and I'm praying you'll be whole again.
Hi guys, how y'all? It's another vlog. Okay, so I currently just finished bathing. Schools are closed. It's the first day of when schools are closed. Yesterday I wrote my last test, even though I messed up, but yesterday I wrote my last test, and currently I was cooking. But the thing is, I have a shortage of potatoes, and I'm trying to make mash. So right now I'm trying to go out. I'm gonna buy potatoes, and I'm gonna buy a beverage to drink for later on, and then yeah, and it looks like it's gonna rain because it was raining. But yeah, and I was washing curtains today, so, and I cleaned the house, and I'm trying to come back and not wash curtains, but iron curtains, and just have a slow relaxing day. So yeah, I've just been busy the whole freaking day. So yeah, let's go shopping and whatever else we have to do. But I mean, Angel girl's so cute. The tunes are fighting. They're fighting. Anyways, let us go, guys. Not worried. The weather. I don't even have an umbrella. The umbrella broke. So let me go and hurry.
You captured my interest in an uncanny way. You left before I knew your name. You look so familiar, like I saw.
It's a new day, guys. It's a new day. Welcome to a new day. And currently it is Good Friday, so happy Good Friday. So currently I am cooking, not really like cooking everything. My mom's gonna help me out. I'm gonna do half, then she's gonna do half. So let us cook, and I'm gonna watch something while I'm cooking. So yeah, I'm gonna go fetch my computer. I just finished filming a video that I'm gonna post also, but I've started this series Tea Talks. I hope you will enjoy that, and yeah, let's get cooking.
Yesterday, somehow I knew you were the one for me. I took what I knew this feeling was so wrong. You are but a stranger, and I see right through your soul. I'm not trying to scare you or play a silly game. All I wanna do is say, remember me, 'cause I believe we'll meet again and we'll be more than friends. Remember me, 'cause I believe maybe next time we won't have to pretend. Whether it happened today or in another life, without a doubt I know that you'll be mine.
Yo, I changed because yeah, I had to wear something homey, but we got There's breakfast. We got a study desk. Yeah, it has a mini cup holder here, and then I think here you can like put your pens, something like that. Yeah, let's do the unwrapping. Our study desk. I'm gonna put this on Takealot, but you can also find it like on a Pep. Yeah, you can find a Pep.
Well, forgive me if I don't take stuff advice from someone whose MO is to chopper in and blow shit up. I prefer to activities from Pinewood Street.
Strangely, I can't help but wait for you to see that maybe you're just perfect for me. Remember me, 'cause I believe we'll meet again and we'll be more than friends. Remember me, 'cause I believe maybe next time we won't have to pretend. Whether it happens today or in another life, without a doubt, I know that you'll be mine. Strangely, I can't help but wait for you to see that maybe you're just perfect for me.
Convinced her to feed him information about the
What information?
I'm not sure. The potential
Okay,
scandal involving
so
pharmaceutical products.
I wanna go edit now, edit my other video because space, but I just finished doing the salads and the rice. The only thing short is carrots and
Just like I did.
pork. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you all when the whole plate is just there. I look pretty. Can we just, can I just, okay, wait, let me,
The basal implanted blood in the
When the stars fall out the sky, I try to catch them. When the past fades, my heart will recollect them. Every droplet of your time has my attention.
good morning guys, good morning. Please excuse the background noise. It's currently I think 10:30, and as you saw, we're doing laundry. I think this is the third day that we're doing laundry. I'm the type of person that if I do laundry and I can see that the rest of the washing won't like dry out, I tend to like postpone it for the next day. So that's what I did, and today is the last day of doing the washing. So yeah, today's just white clothes and juvets. So yeah, and currently I just finished ironing what I'm gonna wear, and my plans are to go out. I have to go look for my goggles because tomorrow we are going back to school and we'll be doing practicals. So yeah, we'll be grinding stuff, and yeah, we'll be creating cutting tools tomorrow, or getting a scope of what we have to do, but I already know what we have to do. Then we are going to go do my hair. I've been trying to learn how to retwist my hair, but it's bad, so I'm gonna go to the salon and go do my hair.
Any worry on your mind, I can deflect them. Baby, tell me your dreams will manifest it. If you wanna run away, I will protect ya. If your head's in the ground and you wanna get out, we can go into the cloud.
Guys, and here's your aunt. She's bathed, she's ready. I did the laundry, I'm done folding. I just have to iron my uniform of Vita antenna. Anyways, yeah, let me show you all the outfits, and then yeah, let me show you all the outfits. I'm currently waiting for my sister to go out. Maybe I want to grab something to eat because I'm a bit hungry. Then we can go to the salon. I think I'm just gonna take my phone. I think my bag. I don't think that's needed. So.
I've been struck by Cupid's arrows. The drums inside my heart beat faster. They go. I wanna fly to Jupiter with you, but I know you're a fool for her. I do. When she came into your life, you walked right out of mine. When will the stars align? I wanna fly to Jupiter with you, but I know you're a fool for her. I do. When she came into your life.
Guys, I am back. I'm really hungry because I didn't eat in the morning before I left, so I'm really hungry. But my mother said I could buy drinks, so I went and shopped for drinks and Doritos. I guess that was like 40 rand in total. And I did my hair, as y'all can see. That was the whole purpose of going out. I didn't go and look for my goggles. Probably my mother's gonna come back, and that's when we're gonna go out and look for my goggles. As I said, tomorrow uniform, so yeah. And my hair was 250 in total, which was wash, twist and style. And this is how I look. I feel cute. Like even the hopes are giving. But I'm so tired. I wanna eat so good. Like I'm literally so hungry. So I'm gonna be making food now, and we'll see about the rest. Please talk to me now. Good morning, guys. The lighting is bad, but I'm a bit late. Considering I'm taking taxi, I'm a bit late. So yeah, we are going to school, but there's a possible shutdown at school. So but I'm gonna take my chances and go there. And if nothing is going on, then I'll come back home because anyways, let me go, guys. Girl is in a uniform. Let's go.
Okay. Ngisibabaleka. Hey, buka la. Uma wenza la. Inhloso ushabisha iwheel awugrandi kudrive. Ubona ngani na umthinta. Yabo? Makhumi inhlanzeni which means awusadress isondo.
It's a hello. Conjure servants. So I'm currently at campus, as you can see. Yeah, boo. It's coming, Anton. What's in? So, as I said, I'm currently in campus. I wanna go buy an energy drink, something there. Oh wow! I just want to show you all the hands of someone who works as a fitter. Look at my hands, bro. Look at it. Yo. Anyways, I'm back. And oh, excuse me, we are drinking dragon. I wanted to drink dragon and eat some fruits, but they only have apple, and I don't eat
April, so this is what I'm having. And I put some bubble gum, that's it. Welcome guys to another day of my life. Today I'm not going to school because my teacher won't be there to supervise us in the workshop. But I've been currently reading this book, Panchiko. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but Panchiko by Min Jin Lee. I'm gonna put it here. And this book is playing with my emotions. Like I almost cried. Like tears are just, please, like this book covers so much. Like I don't know, like by this time I was supposed to be cleaning the house and everything, but I'm just there like I can't stop reading. What do I do? Cause guys, please, y'all have to read this book because no, and I need a hard copy book version because wow, it's one of my trophies. I feel like this book will be a 5-star because it's already a 5-star in my mind. I want to show you all how is it the sunrise? I don't know. Yeah, but can you see how pretty? Oh my word, like please, hon. Anyways, I'm going to school. I wanna eat. They say you must eat to balance your hormones, but eating breakfast, guys. But can you see? That's so pretty. So good morning, guys. Good morning. Can y'all see me in the background? The YouTube video for Sisterhood for Tea Talks episode 2 has launched. Years. Thanks to that, but today is the morning. It's very rainy. I'll show you. It's very cold. That's why I'm like wearing this and stuff like that. But okay, today what we're doing, even though it's early, I think it's a few minutes until 8 a.m. in the morning. But basically today I'm going to see a Golf TSI engine being replaced, I think. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you all with me, and yeah, and then we're gonna come back and edit because I have to edit and rest because I have to rest. But I'm not sure if I should like wear my PPE or not, since I'm not sure if they would ask me to like be part of it. But I just took it in case. I'm not gonna iron it. No, I'm not gonna iron it. So here we're at Pick n Pay, as y'all can see, and we were getting something to eat before starting the long day of trying to fix an engine. Long day.
Shooting for the stars, my love. Reaching for the sky, my love. Everything.
So here we're replacing the inserters because the water and oil were mixing and they're not supposed to mix, which may lead to engine failure. We came across multiple of issues, like such holes were small, such holes were too large for the inserters. So yeah, there was just a mix up of issues.
You captured my interest in an uncanny way. You left before I knew